Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. So this setup is very useful if you want to view your charts and place simulated trades from the same platform. The process is simple, so let's go through it step by step. So first, I want you to open TradingView and load any chart. You need to be on the chart screen because this is where you can access the broker connection. So once the chart is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the trading panel. So this will open a list of the trading connections available in TradingView. Next, scroll through the options until you find Tradovate. So this is the connection used for Topstep accounts in TradingView. So click on Tradovate and a login window should appear. And before entering your details, set the environment to demo since Topstep uses simulated trading. Then enter your Topstep username and password carefully, making sure everything is correct because the login is case sensitive. So click connect and then TradeView will link through Tradovate. And if successful, your trading panel will show the connection and trading controls will appear on your chart. And finally, if you have more than one account available, use the account drop-down menu and select the correct one. After that, you can place simulated orders, view your open positions, adjust your stops and targets, and manage your trades directly from TradingView. And that is how you connect TradingView to Topstep using Tradovate. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.